Hello travel bees! In today's video I'm sharing a part of our shopping, groceries shoppings, and I will come with the rest in a while. So we have here some bananas. We are talking about vegetables and fresh produce. Some bananas, the strawberries were non-existing, unfortunately. Zucchini, or I don't know, zucchini. Green peppers, a yellow pepper and a red pepper, because I want to cook something with 3 colors of peppers. Then the other pepper, 1 zucchini and an eggplant for something else. We have brown mushrooms, 30 eggs. They were very cheap actually this time. They had an offer on them, so we bought some French fries to have it on the freezer because it was on sale. This was on sales also. From $1 it was 50 cents, I think, something like that. So I bought 3 of these. One high protein pudding. This is my mother's stash of yogurt. So we have strawberries, forest fruits and sour cherries. One lasagna on sale. Some lemons, garlic, fresh flowers, my mother's request. Some crisps with sour cream and onion flavor. Barn rice. It's a healthier alternative. These are 3 things of fish fingers to have it on hand in case we don't have anything to eat, and something convenient, fast, quick and hurry. Of course, 3 minced meat of I want from Romania, like this. It's pork and beef mix, and it was on sale, on a very good sale, so that's why I bought them. 2 things of puree tomatoes, because we always cook with something like that. This is a cooking bowl. You put it in the oven and it will not break. You can freeze it, and it was also on sale. Whatever you see here, 90% was on sale. A Coca-Cola, because on weekends we drink some Coca-Cola. These are for the glasses, cleaning wipes. This is mine, is actually light rose gold blonde from Sios, and to do not all my hair, just the roots of my hair. The other parts are still fresh. This is my mother's color. I needed 2 things of traveling stuff for deodorant. This is my full-size deodorant. I love the coconut scent, so I bought that. Elmi Plant Cotton Fresh. It's hand soap. It smells amazing. Some Japanese cherries, and they are sprays, for bathroom sprays, deodorant, odorizant sprays. Some eye pads for under our eyes. They were on sale also. And this is my mother's request to clean the pores of her nose. And this is it for now. I will come back with the other shopping things. Hey there, travel bees! In today's video, my mommy is showing you food that I am not allowed to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye. Hey there, travel bees! In today's video we have a massive haul, because groceries haul, because Easter is in a few days here, the Orthodox Easter, so we are jam-packed. They will be, because I will not be home, but I think 5 people will be home, plus the monthly groceries. So let's start with the fresh things like radishes. Look at these, they are humongous. Radishes, eggs, 30 eggs because they had a good price, a bunch of bananas. We have here onion, carrots, strawberries, mushrooms, green onion, and I will put it aside like this, oranges, potatoes. Did I say mushrooms and strawberries? Mushrooms and strawberries. Two types of milk, this one which lasts longer in the fridge, and this one from Pilos, Greek one. 2 liters of sunflower oil, some pickles, for some salad, beef salad that we usually make on celebrations. Also red peppers, a big 2 kilos of flour, some cracker mix for my grandma. These are for me. Dolce Gusto cafe ole. We have parsley and dill, and this type which is good for soups and lamb, but I don't know the name in English right now. We have lunch meat like hard salami. This type is very good, but also this one. And we also have mortadella because it's the best. We are frying potatoes because convenience. So on a Friday night after shopping, you fry potatoes. A boneless, skinless chicken breast, pork, and we have our traditional mici. Mici is a sausage without casing, but with a nice flavor of garlic, pepper, onion, and something like this. And also minced meat because we are doing cabbage rolls. Moving to the milk section, but I should tell you that I have a big bag of dirt for my plants, and we have fish eggs like this and like this. Yogurt, Greek yogurt. We have some mixed Hochland triangles, some hummus with caramelized onion, and hummus Italiano with tomato and garlic. Some already, I don't know, some shaky cheese I call this one, and some cheddar cheese from Hochland. Also from Lidl we have Gouda, and two type of yogurts with sour cherry and also peach and passion fruits. I'm on a kick of yogurts lately. High protein pudding with chocolate, it's the best, and it keeps you full for 3-4 hours. And this is for my mom. She's with the big yogurt like peach and passion fruit and 2 sour cherries. I have a dessert, creamy dessert with strawberries and passion fruit and peach, and some cottage cheese. Also we have 2 things of croissant, let's say, and we found these mini, you know what they are, mini buns that you put them in the freezer, and when you need them you pop them out on a... Okay, my phone died because I don't have space anymore. I took someone else's phone. These are buns. You just pop them in the oven on a trail and you cook them for a couple of minutes, 8 minutes for 200 degrees, and you have 15 of them. It's delicious to have fresh, hot bun breads available sometimes, especially for Easter. Yogurts for my grandmother like peach and strawberries. This was free because after a certain amount of money spent in the supermarket you have some vouchers, so they give me this free chocolate chip cookies and this. Now, I found a high protein peanut butter ice cream without sugar, which is cool actually, in my opinion. I can't wait to see how this is. Some KFC garlic sauce, 2 things of tomato paste. It's very good and very cheap. We have cashew mix with salt and honey. It's disturbingly good. And also chicken liver pate is good on bread and with some tomatoes. Of course, some junk food for bad days, because sometimes we have bad days around here also, like cheese puffs and also pizza puff. I have some crunchy muesli with freeze-dried fruits, meaning strawberries. I'm on a kick of strawberries lately, guys. I don't know why. These are olives from Greece, and these are too, but these are like old olives. I don't know, they look weird. Some mustard. These are my grandmother's noodles soup, because sometimes she doesn't want to eat anything else. Candles, because you know, candles for the cemetery and stuff like this. This is my mother's hair dye that she forgot that she bought one already, so she bought another one. Toothpaste, of course. This is their toothpaste. I take something different. And some rice, and I think this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Bye.